your girl Key. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're returning OG. Today I'm going to be recreating one of my older makeup looks. Now this makeup look I did a couple years ago. So this makeup look I did when I first started out in makeup. So you know, baby girl skills was not all the way there. Before I even post this picture on the screen, please don't roast me too much. This is when I started to dabble in, you know, get into makeup and getting into hair and all that good stuff. So you know, it wasn't all that. It wasn't all that, so please don't come for me. But we about to do the look justice today, okay? We're gonna slay it, and that's on period, because that's all we know how to do. That's all we know how to do is slay. So yeah, let me throw this picture on the screen, honey. Okay, so boom, there it go. Listen, this is actually very embarrassing because I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I remember this day like it was yesterday. I went out and all that. I thought I was hot shit, okay? Baby, these brows, the under eye brow bone, Lord, the eyeshadow look itself. Clearly I did not know how to apply glitter to my eye just yet, because that right there is just a hot mess. And let me tell y'all something, this is before I went out, so this is not the aftermath of after going out, this is before. So yeah, very embarrassing. Yeah, so we're going to be recreating this makeup look and just, you know, making it look a lot better. And I feel like it's a perfect time to do this look because it is around Halloween time, and you know, purples and greens is, you know, that spooky season color combination. So yeah, I thought that today would be super duper fun. And yeah, I kind of like, for the past 2 days, because I've been thinking about this look, like how do I really want to recreate it? Do I want to do it exactly to the T, or do I want to spice it up just a little bit? I am going to spice it up just a little bit, and clearly we're going to make it look a lot better. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing your girl recreate this look, make sure you guys stay tuned. I hope that you guys are part of the crew. If you're not, before we get started in this video, please do your girl a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. When you hit that subscribe button, you will be notified every single time that I post a video on my channel. Anytime I make a post, you will be the first to know. Also, give this video a thumbs up before we continue, because you know, that helps my channel grow, in period. We trying to grow. So if you guys want to see your girl slay this look, you guys already know what to do. Stay tuned. Hey crew, so it's voiceover Key on this thing. So first I'm going into the matte book from the crayon case, and I'm going to go into that really gorgeous deep purple shade, which is right at the top, and I'm going to pack this into my crease. This is going to be the base of my eyeshadow look, so I'm just going to really pack this color on and build it up until it was perfection. And I gave it like a little C curve because I wasn't going for like a regular half cut crease today. I kind of went for like this oval wear shape type of cut crease. So yeah, I just packed the purple onto my lid. Now I'm going into my Red Queen palette from Prolux Cosmetics, and I'm going to go into that shade Power, which is that really gorgeous light purple. And this is just going to be, you know, my little transition color just to kind of help fade out my edges. Then your girl went back over into the matte book palette, and I'm taking that really gorgeous navy blue shade, and I'm using this to deepen up my crease area. I didn't want to go in with black because I didn't want it to take away from the purple so much, so I figured why not go with navy blue. So yeah, I'm just taking that and just deepening up my crease. After blending out the shadows on my lid, you guys, now it is time for your girls to go in and cut that crease. So I'm going to be using my all-time favorite concealer, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 330 Ivory. Literally, this is my favorite concealer to use to do my eye looks. I'd rather go in with a concealer base because I just get a lot more coverage, and I just feel like my eyeshadows grip onto this concealer base a lot better than, you know, the eyeshadow bases I've used in the past. I've used the NYX, I've used P. Louise, and I just feel like this L'Oreal Infallible just does it for me. My eye looks always turn out so bomb. My eyeshadows are always very, very vibrant, and I just really love this concealer. So if you guys have not tried it out, I'm gonna need y'all to go do so. But your girl is taking that really pretty light green shade from the matte book, and I am just packing this on to my lid, and this is going to be the shade underneath my shimmer shadow, which is from the Revlon Color Stay little eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using that green shade in there, which is so gorgeous. Literally, I cannot grab how gorgeous this is. Like, the camera is just not picking it up but I am just packing that on top of the green shade that I already applied, and this is just going to help my glitter just stand out and pop a lot more. So, you know, places where there's not glitter on top of, it won't just be like a matte background, there'll actually be like a shimmer. So that's why I went in with that shimmer shade, and it looked so gorgeous, y'all. So to get my glitter to stay on my lid and not move like how it was in the past, I'm taking my Kiss Lash Glue in clear, and I just apply all of that all over the area where I want my glitter to stay. I let it dry clear, and then I just go in and apply my glitter. My glitter is coming from Amazon, really, really pretty, and I love the shade. It just went with this look so perfect. And the way that it was sparkling, y'all, OMG, like literally you can see me from a mile away. Like, this glitter is so bomb. I'll link the glitter in my description box below because it came with a set of a bunch of different glitters, and it was definitely worth it. It was like $10. So yeah, these are my lashes that I'll be popping on with today's look. These lashes are also coming from Amazon, and they are such a vibe. So I'm just popping my lashes on, and then we're gonna serve some looks, honey, and it's on period.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day.
So here I am with the finished face, y'all. I am really honestly so proud of myself because the growth is there, the skills are there. I definitely did that. I'm gonna place the picture on the screen. I don't know which side, but it'll be on the screen somewhere. But like, I did that. Like, come on now, I did that. My colors look so good. I actually let my hubby choose the glitter that I went in with, and hubby got taste because the glitter he picked out looks so amazing with this makeup look. And I'm just wow, like this is so gorgeous. Like, just everything is so much better. My hair is better, my brows look so good, y'all. Look at these brows today, and just look at the brows before. Like, they looked crazy back then, but my brows are better. The eyeshadow, we clearly can see, is so much better. Okay, the lash upgrade though, like, okay, the lash upgrade, I'm super duper happy about that. And then just overall the base of, you know, my face makeup just looks so good. I'm not giving Casper the Friendly Ghost. I am giving just, I'm giving skin, okay? Skin but better. Skin but better, okay? And I love the little hints of purple highlight I threw in there. I was gonna go with the gold, but I'm like, ooh, purple will look so good with this, and it is. This look is just definitely giving me all like types of spooky season, Halloween vibes, and I'm just so in love with it. I'm super duper proud of my skills. If you guys think that I did a way better job, smash that like button for your girl. Give this video a huge thumbs up. If you're not part of the crew, please, please, please hit that subscribe button and join the crew so that you guys will not miss out on any more of my uploads. If you guys want to see your girl create more of my old makeup looks, you guys already know what to do. Comment down in the comment section below and let me know that you guys want to see more makeup recreations. I think that's all that I have for you guys today. Yeah, I think that's it. So with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next upload. As always, be kind and be thankful.
If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.